You know that feeling, right? It's so frustrating. You drink a big glass of water, you're trying to do the right thing for your body, and then it feels like it goes straight through you just minutes later. Why on earth does that happen? Well, today we are going to get to the bottom of it. I'm willing to bet you've said this, or at least thought it. You're trying so hard to stay hydrated, but your body seems to be fighting you every step of the way, just flushing it all out immediately. So what is actually going on here? It's one of those confusing signals from your body that can make you second guess everything. But what if I told you the feeling means the exact opposite of what you think it does? Okay, let's clear this up because it is a massive misunderstanding. That feeling of water going straight through you isn't a sign that you're overhydrated. Nope, it's actually a critical clue your body is sending you, and most of us have been reading it completely wrong. So your first thought, and it's a totally logical one, is, okay, I must be too hydrated. My body has enough. But the surprising reality? Well, it flips that idea completely on its head. That feeling is a classic sign that you are chronically or consistently dehydrated. I know what you're thinking. How can being dehydrated make you have to pee more? It sounds completely backwards, but it all makes perfect sense when you think about it through an analogy we call the dry soil effect. I want you to picture a houseplant that you forgot to water for a while. The soil is bone dry, hard, and cracked. Now, if you suddenly dump a bunch of water on it, what happens? Most of it just runs right over the top and straight out the bottom, right? It doesn't soak in. Your body's cells are doing the exact same thing. When they're that parched, they can't effectively absorb the water you're giving them. So why do our bodies get into this dry soil state to begin with? It's not always just about forgetting to drink enough water. There are actually 3 core biological reasons this happens, so let's break them down. First up, low electrolytes. Think of minerals like sodium and potassium as the little gatekeepers for your cells. Without them, the gates to your cells stay locked and water just can't get in. Second, those diuretic drinks, your daily coffee, maybe a soda, the caffeine and sugar in those actually tell your kidneys to flush fluid out, which is the opposite of what you want. And third, your body just kind of forgets. After being dehydrated for a long time, its whole fluid balancing system needs some time to relearn how to hold on to water properly. Okay, so that's the problem. But here's the really good news. It is completely fixable. You can actually reteach your body how to absorb water efficiently with a super simple, actionable rehydration plan. Here are 3 easy steps to turn that dry soil back into a sponge. First, add some minerals back in. A tiny pinch of sea salt or an electrolyte powder gives your cells those gatekeepers they're missing. Second, sip, don't chug. Slow, consistent sips throughout the day give your body time to actually absorb the water, just like watering that dry plant slowly. And third, take it easy. Increase your intake gradually over a few days to give your kidneys a chance to adapt. And really, this is what it's all about. The goal isn't just to stop running to the bathroom every 5 minutes. The real goal is to get true deep hydration right where it matters most, inside your cells. This is the payoff. You follow this plan, and within just a few days, that urgent feeling will start to fade away. And that's how you'll know it's working. It's not just you drinking the water anymore. It's because your cells are finally drinking too. So the next time you get that straight through me feeling, you'll know what it really is, a sign that your cells are thirsty. The only question left is, what's the first sip you're going to take to rehydrate the right way? Are you going to try a pinch of sea salts, or maybe just focus on sipping more slowly? Go on, give it a try. Your cells will thank you for it.